Oh, welcome back for so long. Sorry, I haven't posted another video for like 2, 3, or 4 months. Sorry, because number one, I was sick. Number two, well, you know what. Okay, so whatever. This is the game I want to show today. Well, let's see. If I click the green flag again, this kind of entry shows up. Mario Party 12. Let's do that again. That's cool. Now we go to Lakitu Revolution. It's a game. Oof, sorry. It often occurs like that. And then you have to use the mouse to move Mario. And then you have to try to dodge Lakitu, this white guy. And just wait. Every 10 seconds, a new Lakitu pops up. Like, I made this almost impossible. If you want to make it a little easier, you can do that on your own. Oof. Okay, whatever. Now I'll go to Fire Bro house. Click it. And then you can choose your area by clicking number area 1 as the key 1 and 2 as the key 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you see this time right here. After the time is 0, you cannot move, and you have to try not to get the same area as the Fire Bro. If the Fire Bro touches the edge, that's an automatic point for you, and you score a point. And when you're in a different area, like, just wait, this one, look. If you're in a different area, you also get 1 point. This world record you see, I set it. And then you keep doing that until you accidentally get the same area as the Fire Bro, and then the game ends. So, that's basically it. There are 7 sprites. So, let's go. I'll just go to scratch right here. Good. And my stuff? No. Create. So you know at this point, this is the starting position of every single project, even a complex project. It started all as this stupid cat. I'm gonna take away. You can right click, delete. By the way, this is the new Scratch 3.0. Let's add a new sprite by hovering this one and click this. So let's first choose our sprites. It was these two I draw. Oh, by the way, oof, sorry. We don't need any sprites from here. You can search up cooltext.com and you can choose any of these fonts, but the one I used was water, I think. Check. Does this look like? Yes, that's it. And Mario, what does this say? Mario Party 12. Let's see. Good. And text size, that's a fine. Create logo. That's it. Now you can drag this. No. You can download this. And okay. Good. Quotex 32606. I'm just gonna open that from my files. Sorry. Oof. I'm downloading this. Show in folder. Okay. This one, probably. Good one. No. That's not it. I have to do it here. I have to do it there. Sorry about that. Okay. I'll try the fastest I can. Yes, there we go. Let's set X to 0, Y to 0. Scratch 3.0 in my opinion is way better than Scratch 2.0. Whatever, name your sprite to logo. There. And let's import some sprites. Search up Mario. And then images. Choose the Mario here. Let's see what Mario I used. It's this one. It's like running. Probably it's this one. Let me just click like. There we go. Yes, that's it. So we save image as. And we go here again. No. Close it. And then I save this one. Also search up Firebro. Sorry, my voice was too quiet. Also search up Firebro. That's what I was gonna say. And save the image. Wait, just to check. Good. Now I'm gonna upload the images. Good. Set Mario to size 25. It's good because you can control it from here now. And Firebro to 20. Don't forget to import Lakitu. Sorry about that. My brain is going whoa. Let's see which one, which Lakitu. Okay, it's the surfing Lakitu. It's like this one, but it's in the reverse. Here it is. Let's see if we downloaded everything. Yes, we just have to add the background and the two sprites. Let's generate the two sprites first, and don't forget to size the Lakitu to its right size, called 25. So size Lakitu to 25. Good. just good. Now we want to paint the sprite and make sure to choose another. Nope. Choose another one. I'm gonna try it all again. Sorry about that. I have another plan. What should I? Lakitu Revolution. Good. Now I just gotta switch this to black. And I'll just make the size small here. 30? Oof, sorry. 30. No, that's too small. 50. Just the best. Let's make it around here. And let's just check the size here. 307 times 78. So that's what you'll do with the yellow. Sorry, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, this color is fine. Oh, good. Just the best it can be. To make this. Oh, that was 78, and this is 68. Factor. Select. That's 78, 340. 307. And then so we need to shrink by 40. That's fine. And I'll just add text. Bitmap text. I like it more. Oh yeah, sorry. Here. I'm controlling this with my keyboard. I recommend you doing that. Okay. Gotta change the size to 50. Good. And the computer will do it for me. And wait, so let's go like this, and now it's time for the background. We also have to paint this, but first we need to draw lines like these lines. The thickness was 4. That's why we're also going to do a 4 thickness here. Nope, 4. There. And this is what I always do. Press shift. No, that's too much. Better. Press shift, click the center, press shift, drag up. Zoom out again. And then it lets you do it again. Don't forget to press shift because it lets you draw straight lines 90 degrees. Do that with the horizontal line. Okay, let's zoom out. And here. Better. And now get the fill tool here. And then color in whatever color you want for each sign. If it doesn't work, try in bitmap. I recommend using multiples of 10, but for red color 0 is fine. This one, for this, use 60. Good. Don't forget x0, y0. Good. We need some text here. Change the font to marker. Area 1. And make these text white by turning the saturation into the least and zoom in as much as you can. Like this. Okay, good. And sorry about that. Area 2. This is for the Fire Bro house. Good. Area 3. Good. The last one is area 4. Actually, I changed the colors a little. Look. But who cares, right? So, we made all. Let's just now name the sprites. Background. Don't forget to capitalize. And this is Fire Bro house. This is Lakitu Revolution. Lakitu. Mario. I'm doing this because I like capitalized. Fire Bro. Good. Okay, one last thing. I just want this to hide when it first starts. Better. Now, don't forget to save your project, and that was it for this part. Bye bye, and see you next time for part 2 Mario Party 12.